nuovo?
Rhea wants to go out, but it's
tuo.
Christmas Day.
Windows 10 sopra.
Enrico and his
Potrei
father
metterti
talking
Windows
about
10
computers,
francamente,
and we're gonna open the presents.
Potrei farti il lavoro anche a te.
Rhea
su
can't go
Windows
out
10.
right now because we are going out.
Beh.
First, he's opening Valentino, the cat's present.
Qui forse ci vuole un po' di
Di chi?
no.
Guarda, Menko.
Bello, grazie.
I got Ada's present from Sephora. It's the Humankind Body Essentials. Renato, ti devo aiutare.
Sì, certo che aiuto.
Perché lei no...
Sì.
capata.
Body Essentials.
Ah, ecco.
Quante robe.
C'è
Cosa sarebbe?
la crema per il corpo, mani, e questa è una scrub.
Vogliamo mettere dentro?
Piace?
Bene.
Bene.
È la marca inglese più famosa nel mondo per saponi da barba.
Questa
È tutto-
qui.
è tutto
Sarebbe
per la
la
Accrington.
Doctor Harris.
Keep
Voglio vedere così. Ecco.
This is Dr. Harris's. Dr. Harris & Co. Number 1, Arlington Shaving Bowl.
Ma io penso che tu debba tirarlo via, no? O no?
I don't want to ruin the thing.
Peccato. Che bello.
Guarda che roba,
Che bello con la sonata per la confezione.
Guarda che
Grazie
sapone,
ragazzi.
No, non devi tirarlo
Così,
via, è lì.
ecco così, eccolo.
Ecco, è lì.
Senti che buono.
Che bene. Yeah, it smells very
È
fresh.
veramente il
The
sapone
Arlington.
migliore delle...
I got a present for Enrico, but it's not.
Cos'è arrivato?
È arrivato il
It's
massaggio.
not. No.
Il
No. Wow.
C'è Isa?
Questo mi hai regalato.
Yeah, I didn't know what to buy you.
C'è
Che
Isa?
bello.
This
la
is a
crema.
body soap from Humankind.
Ah, è bello, è un
Body wash.
schiuma, bene. Ok.
I got a present from my friend Tyra.
Cos'è quello lì, Nito?
Oh, it's just tea, organic Indian chai tea.
Ah, bene, un bel tè.
Ah, il
Bene.
tè?
Sì.
Yeah,
Buono.
tea.
Bene.
See, warm and spicy. Forse bene.
Dai.
And then this is from
Ti
Sephora
piace.
for me.
Ti è di...
Ta-da!
Questo è il regalo di Nito.
Cos'è, Nito?
C'è una maschera. We came to Ristorante San Mauro for Christmas lunch. And a lot of families, of course, do the Christmas lunch thing. There's actually an airport down that way and mountains in the distance. And yep, this is Ristorante San Mauro. That's where the airport is. And look what they did inside. It's beautiful. The tables are beautiful. They have two parts to the restaurant. On the other side, there's another room.
Ciao.
Ciao, it's beautiful. This is the menu of today, or for today.
Domenica mattina lavora.
Entrate is like appetizers.
Poi là, stiamo filmando.
And we already have the Prosecco. And meanwhile, people are still arriving because actually it's not even 1 o'clock yet and lunch starts from 1 usually. And this is the first dish. It's beef and valeriana, a kind of salad or lettuce. He's saying that they were married for 40 years. This is the pumpkin thing, and this has some kind of meat in it.
È solo sì.
I don't remember. I don't know.
Barley.
Barley. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the other primi piatti, the first, what's called the first course, you know, after the antipasti. So these are gnocchi, but it's kind of sweet with prunes inside.
Prugne.
Yeah, and this is kind of what's called the cestino. I don't know why, but I'm having difficulty with English, and
Cheese and walnuts.
English is my native language, so I don't know why. But yeah, cheese and walnuts is in here, and it's good, right? Very good. And after is the a sorbetto. Sorbetto is a digestive. It's kind of like ice cream and sorbet. Okay, this is a bird called farona, and I'm not sure what it is in English. And then this is artichoke puree, and just potatoes and gravy. This is the dessert. It's ice cream. Yeah, it's just ice cream.
In uno dei palazzi di Bosutto hanno chiuso l'aria condizionata.
Actually, it's not ice cream. It's a semi-freddo. It's like, it's kind of cold, but it's like a creamy kind of mousse, actually. Okay, we ate a lot, and now I'm very sleepy. And it's 4:30, so it's really good to do Christmas lunch, and like it's good that you don't have a big meal for dinner, because it was hard to sleep after being so full. So it's good because now it's lunch. We don't eat dinner, and now you can digest, and then you'll actually sleep better when you like digested before going to sleep. So I think that it's a very good tradition, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.